Daily English Talks. Weekend plans.
Hey, do you already have any plans for the weekend? Or are you still deciding what to do?
I am still thinking about it, but I really want to do something relaxing after such a busy week at work.
That sounds like a good idea, because we have both been working really hard lately and deserve a break.
Exactly. So I was considering either staying at home and watching movies or going out for a short trip.
Both options sound great, but going out might be more refreshing and give you a change of scenery.
Yes, I agree. And I was thinking about visiting a nearby park or maybe even going to the beach.
Going to the beach sounds amazing, especially if the weather is nice and sunny this weekend.
I checked the weather forecast earlier, and it looks like it will be warm and clear on Saturday.
That is perfect. So maybe we should plan a beach day with some snacks and drinks.
That would be fun, and we could also bring a picnic blanket and enjoy lunch by the sea.
I love the idea of having a picnic because it makes the day feel more special and relaxing.
Me too. And we can prepare some simple food like sandwiches, fruit, and cold juice.
That sounds easy to prepare, and we can even make everything together on Friday evening.
Yes, cooking together would also be a fun way to start the weekend.
By the way, do you want to invite anyone else, or do you prefer to keep it just the two of us?
I think it would be nice to invite a few close friends so we can all enjoy the day together.
That is a great idea, because weekends are always better when shared with good company.
I will send them a message later and see who is available to join us.
Perfect. And we should also decide what time we want to leave in the morning.
I think leaving early would be better, so we can avoid traffic and have more time to relax.
I agree. Maybe we can leave around 7 a.m. so we can arrive before it gets too crowded.
That sounds like a good plan, and we can enjoy the peaceful atmosphere in the morning.
Do you think we should drive there, or would it be better to take public transportation?
Driving would be more convenient, especially since we will bring food and other items.
True, and we can also stop along the way if we want to buy something or take photos.
Yes, I always enjoy road trips, even short ones, because they feel like a little adventure.
Me too, and we can create a playlist of our favorite songs for the drive.
That would make the journey even more enjoyable and set a good mood for the day.
By the way, what do you plan to do on Sunday after the beach trip?
I think I will stay at home and rest, because I will probably feel tired after a full day outside.
That makes sense, and Sunday is perfect for relaxing and preparing for the new week.
Yes, I might also do some light cleaning and organize my things for Monday.
I should do the same, because my room has been a bit messy lately.
It always feels good to start the week with a clean and organized space.
Definitely. And maybe in the evening we can watch a movie or read a book.
That sounds peaceful, and it is a nice way to end the weekend.
Do you have any movie recommendations that we can watch together?
I recently saw a trailer for a new comedy movie that looks really funny and entertaining.
That sounds perfect because I feel like watching something light and cheerful.
Great. Then we can prepare some popcorn and enjoy a cozy movie night.
I am really looking forward to this weekend because it sounds both fun and relaxing.
Me too. And I think it is important to balance activities and rest during our free time.
You are right, because weekends are not just for having fun, but also for recharging our energy.
Exactly. And spending time with friends and doing things we enjoy helps us feel happier.
I completely agree, and I am glad we made a plan instead of wasting the weekend.
Yes, planning ahead makes everything smoother and more enjoyable.
I will prepare the playlist and bring some drinks for our beach trip.
And I will take care of the food and invite our friends to join us.
Perfect. Then everything is ready for a wonderful weekend together.
I cannot wait to enjoy the fresh air, good food, and great company.
It is going to be a memorable weekend that we will talk about for a long time.
Yes, moments like these are what make life more meaningful and enjoyable.
I agree. And we should plan more weekends like this in the future.
Definitely, because it helps us stay connected and create happy memories.
Well, I will see you on Friday evening so we can prepare everything together.
Sounds good. And I will make sure everything is ready before you arrive.
Great! I am already excited about our plans and looking forward to it.
Me too. And I hope the weather stays perfect for our trip.
I am sure it will. And even if it changes, we will still have a great time.
Absolutely. Because what matters most is spending time together and enjoying the moment.